Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for sports photography. Open your sports image to give it a bold HDR look. Convert it into a smart object to control all adjustment. Enter HDR toning to begin enhancement, actions details and also increase strength for dramatic impact. Boost detail to highlight muscles and motion textures, lower highlights to keep lighting balance, raise shadows to bring out uniforms and backgrounds, adjust gamma for energetic midtones, and also add vibrance to enhance theme colors, keep saturation moderate for realism, adjust exposure for dramatic light, mask